Hey guys, what's going on? It's your big dreamer and doer G Dinero coming to you today to break down the trade. What trade is that, you ask? It's the latest Invest Answers trade. It's a Tesla, December 17th, 2027, 280 synthetic long. But first, remember, none of this is tax, legal, financial, investment advice. It's your buddy G Dinero helping you to increase your financial literacy to help put you and your family on that path to financial freedom. And before we jump in, if you want to see more content like this, be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel so that you see more videos like this in the future. And also share this out with your friends so they get to see it too. And I'll ask for your comments in the comment section as well. So let's dig in. What was the trade alert? The trade alert was, I sold another 1/40th of my MicroStrategy. While I know that MicroStrategy and Bitcoin are on fire, still 50% MicroStrategy in need to de-risk. Pair was at 1.46, meaning I'm buying Tesla shares for about $13 using MicroStrategy as his currency. Again, this is Invest Answers. He took the cash that he got from this trade and bought 5 times the shares using the synthetic long and still pocketed more than half of the cash. So in other words, for every 100 MicroStrategy shares that he sold, he bought 500 Tesla shares or 5 contracts. That gives him much more exposure that way to Tesla. In addition, he did a synthetic long on the 280s for December 2027, which is 953 days away from and it's $30, right? 953 days away, $30. So you add that, it makes his break even on Tesla $310 by that date. He believes it'll be well north of $1,000 at least, which means that he turns $30 into $720 or a 24x return. And that's what the chart was looking like on the MicroStrategy Tesla pair, showing the 1.46 at the time the trade was taken. So let's break it down. What is a synthetic long? It's selling a put and buying a call, both long dated, both at the same strike price, both at the money. That's the easiest way to remember it. So Invest Answer sold the December 17, 2027 Tesla 280 put for approximately $87.50. That means he collected $8,750. Now, he did need to have $28,000 to collateralize the put. It doesn't have to be cash. It can be in the form of margin, and he does have a large amount of margin in his brokerage account. So that's because of the assignment risk. In case the opposing party wants to put or assign their shares, their 100 shares to him for $280 a share for $28,000. The other party has that option. They bought this put from him, so they can sell their shares to him for $280 a share or $28,000. So he needs to have the ability to be able to buy those shares for the entire time that the put is in place. He also, Invest Answers also bought the December 17, 2027 280 call option. That cost him $117.50 a share or $11,750. So if you take the $11,750 that he spent minus the $8,750 that he collected, it resulted in a net debit of $30 a share or $3,000. So it cost him $3,000 to put this trade on. His break even is $310, which is the 280 strike price plus the $30 premium, and it's $310 by December of 2027, like 2.5 years away. And again, he used the proceeds from his MicroStrategy position, which was acquired years ago, back in 2022 from a synthetic long, which more than covered the cost of this trade. Like he said, he could do 5 of these for every 100 shares of MicroStrategy that he sold. If we look down in here, he was targeting a $1,000 share price by December of 2027. And if it were to get to there, the entire trade would be worth $720 a share per synthetic long that he did, or $72,000. Of that, $69,000 is profit because it cost him $3,000 to put the trade on. He collects $72,000 on the back end of the trade. Net, that's a $69,000 profit or a 24x return on his money. He turned $3,000 into $72,000 per synthetic long contract. And remember, he said he was able to buy 5 of these for every 100 shares of MicroStrategy that he sold. Guys, I hope you're finding value in this. If you are, make sure that you subscribe to this channel, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You'll get to see more videos like this, more breakdowns, and make sure that you've taken a course, right? Take that TradingView and technical analysis course so that you can understand the ins and outs of the charts and technical analysis. Book an individual appointment with me where you can learn more, or even better, take my understanding options class so that these breakdowns I say to you will make a lot more sense in the future. Thanks for tuning in. Again, G Dinero helping you increase your financial literacy to help put you and your family on that path to financial freedom. Take care, guys, and have a wonderful afternoon. Thank you.